Your Frigidaire induction range is so easy to clean and delivers amazingly fast and consistent results every time. Here are some tips to help you get started with your induction cooking surface. Before using the cooktop, ensure your cookware is induction compatible by looking for an induction-ready symbol or seeing if a magnet sticks to the bottom. To turn on your induction cooking surface, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. To begin cooking, place cookware on the cooking zone and press the on-off key. The markings on the cooking zone show the minimum and maximum pan size. Try to use the zone that best fits the cookware bottom. Depending on the model, you may slide your finger across, press a number, or press plus or minus until the desired cooking level is shown. The levels range from 1 to 9. Power Boost is the most powerful setting. Note, the Power Boost setting will only remain active for 10 minutes before returning to the next highest level. If your cooking zones won't turn on or change temperature, check to see if a lock icon is showing. If so, press and hold the lock icon to disable the control lock. A few tips to keep in mind. If the display is flashing, the zone isn't sensing the pan. Make sure the cookware is induction ready, centered on the cooking zone, and not too small for the zone you're using. It's best to lift cookware before moving it on your cooktop. Sliding it can mark or scratch the surface. The magnetic field over the cooking zone may cause cookware to vibrate, creating a buzzing or humming noise. These sounds are not unusual, especially at high settings. They may be caused by cookware that is not perfectly flat, a handle that is loose, or a lid on the pot or pan. The hot surface indicator shows that the cooking zone is off, but still hot. Now let's use the Serve Warm function. When Serve Warm is activated, the cooking zones are set to a low power level to keep foods warm. Press the Serve Warm indicator. The indicator will turn red. The Bridge function allows the two left cooking zones to work together, enabling you to use larger cookware like a griddle. If one of the left cook zones is active and cookware is detected in both of the left zones, the Bridge function becomes available. Touch the Bridge indicator to activate the function. The LED indicators will turn red, and the cook zone setting for both of the Bridge zones will match. The setting controls for the front left zone will control both of the Bridge zones as long as the Bridge function is active. Now you're ready to start creating yummy meals for your family. Visit Frigidaire.com to learn more about your appliance, register your product, and join the Frigidaire family. We're here to help.